and welcome to Initial Solution. In this video, I will show you how to lock your screen on Windows 10. So let's begin the video. The first way to lock your screen on Windows is using keyboard shortcut. Just press Windows key plus L on your keyboard. Your screen will lock instantly and take you to the sign-in screen. And the next way is click on the Start menu. Select your profile icon at the bottom left corner. Then click Lock from the drop-down menu. So there you have it. I hope this video helped you out. If you found this tutorial helpful, give us a like and subscribe to Initial Solution for more helpful tutorials. This video is sponsored by Girosoft. Girosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Girosoft today. For more details, check the description box.